Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Melanie and you are at Hook to the Left. And today I'm going to be announcing the winner for the National Crochet Day. So yesterday was National Crochet Day, and for the past week or so, maybe it was a week and a half, anyway, I have been running a giveaway on my announcement for National Crochet Day, and in that giveaway I am including everything that anybody interested in getting into the art of crochet would need to get started and start learning. So I'm going to go over what it is that the winner's going to get and real quick, and then I will announce the winner after that. So very first thing is yarn. You can't get into the hobby of crochet without yarn. So you're gonna get 3 skeins of yarn. This is Walmart's basic mainstays yarn. It's a basic worsted weight. It's the best yarn to learn on because it's not gonna split. It's equivalent to Red Heart Super Saver. I think it's a little bit softer, but you're gonna get it in purple, gray, and white. So those are the 3 skeins of yarn that are going to be included in this package. So the winner's going to get that, and then the winner is also going to get a nice little pouch to keep all of the accoutrements that you could need for crochet. And if you don't like this super duper girly little bag here, I do have some other options. Let's see here. They're all kind of girly colors because I picked them out, and well, I like girly colors. But there is one that's a little bit less girly. So we've got the pink polka dots, and this one you can actually put into a binder, so you can choose that if you'd like. Just let me know whenever you email me your address. And then we also have hearts. This one's super girly too, but you know, hearts instead of the mermaid fairy princess, mermaid unicorn fairy princess. And then we have a plain see-through purple follow your dreams, so there's that one. Or finally, this one's actually a pack of 2, but you get a yellow, plain yellow one, and then you get this yay, and this is the less girly one. It still has pink and stuff in it, but it's a little bit less girly. So it has that on the back, and then on the front, and then on the back it's just plain yellow. So those are your options. If you do not tell me what you would like, if you have a preference, then this is the one you're gonna get. And inside this you get a pack of index cards. Now this this is where I like to put a note, because these usually end up being project bags. And then on this, I put a note of what the name of the pattern is. If I have a book, then what book it's in, what page number, the hook size that I'm using, the weight size, and the brand of yarn that I'm using, and the colorway name, and even possibly the lot number, although it's harder to get the lot number if you don't get it all together. But I put all of that information on these index cards, and these are all very colorful index cards. Anyway, you can see it. It's blurry because it's wanting to focus on my face, but it's blurry. So this is included in there. And then you also get, and I forgot to mention this when I was announcing it, but I am also giving out with this 2 little needles, which are not going to focus for me. They are surely heck not going to focus for me at all, are they? Because they're super shiny. They're shining on my computer. There we go. That took only forever. Okay, so 2 plastic needles. So there's a smaller one, and I have a smaller one and the larger one, and those 2 are going to be included with the package. And a pair of scissors, and a little baggie of these I always forget the name of them, stitch markers. Little baggie of plastic stitch markers, and basic measuring tape. You can see, yeah, it's all blurry because it wants to focus on my face. That's why it's doing that, but you understand what that is. So it's a measuring tape, and then put those with that. 3 hook sizes, so you have 3 different hook sizes, and I am including hook sizes 5 through 6. So you got a 5mm, a 5.5mm, and a 6mm, which any 3 of these sizes will work great with the worsted weight. It all depends on what your tension is like. So yeah, feel free that you can test it out and see what's best and what works best for you. But you're gonna have these 3. They do have ergonomic handles. So while these are not new in package, they're still new. I've never used them. I've used other hooks. So I wanted to include those so you have them with the nice ergonomic handles. And you are also going to have a pen and a pencil, so you can choose whichever is your preference to write with, and to write in a little notebook. And this is where you keep all your crochet notes. So that is included in your beginner's pack. And now I think that's everything that's included. And now I think I should go ahead and pick the winner. I'm just stuffing everything back in the trusty little bag, which that's the back of the mermaid bag. It's a pretty teal, or I guess that's a teal, maybe an aquamarine. Okay, so let's go ahead and break out my phone so we can get the drawing done. So I have the comment picker here. I entered the URL already, and it's super bright, I know. So I've entered the URL already, so I'm gonna let it get the YouTube comments, and I'm filtering out duplicate users. Now this is one that you didn't have to be subscribed to my channel to win. So I'm gonna pick this out, and as long as they mention who they're going to get this for, who they're gonna give it to in the comment, then they win. And they have to reach out to me. So it's got the amount of unique commenters. So I'm gonna try, and it probably won't take very long because there's 33 comments that it's gonna check from. And hang on just a moment, I'm tapping the button. I'm actually gonna hit the white start button this time and see what it says. So can you see that winner is, it looks like I can't. So Kathy Ann. So the winner is Kathy Ann, and it says, congrats to you and the winner. I would give this set to my neighbor who I know would enjoy crochet. So guess who's gonna get this? Your neighbor. Kathy Ann, congratulations. I am so thankful for you commenting on that video and participating in this giveaway. And hopefully you are subscribed, and then give this to your neighbor, let her know about my channel so that possibly she could get subscribed along with it. All the other wonderful crochet YouTubers out there. There's a ton of them. But yes, congratulations, Kathy Ann. Make sure you email me at hooktotheleft@gmail, and let me know what your address is and if you have a preference on the bag, and I will get that sent out to you just as soon as I can. Hopefully this weekend. If not this weekend, then it'll definitely be next weekend at the latest, but I will get that out to you just as soon as I can. Okay, again, thank you guys so much, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye. Oh, I thought I hit start, but I didn't. We're gonna edit that out.